Gusii korosamanite chigosori chechi secondary ya bwasiri tukoli yankyo chisukuru cha nyare kwa bachigo ikensemeri ya Maranda High School ime county ya Siaya muna korwa ensemo ya Kisii County na Nyamira County ase chigosori chiri chia Nyanza region ese chisukuru chechi secondary cha nyare kwa bachikolo ni ensemeri ya Maranda kati chisukuru korwa county ya Kisii cha nyare kwa enseme yunamone skuru ya Kisii School cha nyare kwa bagekuru kievendera ya rugby 7 sabu asomoro kyo monene bwe timu ya Kisii School Rugby sensa tero namba be komuki kore kibuna banyara kwa bakurikia machibu amaya kuna barigetia sentunda ya ita asicho solichirichia rugby 15s engakiri ya tamwan.
Naitwa Liaston Shisikani, coach Kisii School. We've had good preparations since the counties as we work towards the regionals. We hope to win the title. We hope to win the regional title as we did with the 15th title. The boys are ready. We've worked hard. We've invested in our training sessions. We've invested in our conditioning, and we are ready for these regional games. The boys responded well. The county games were tough. We had a tough game against Cardinal. The county games were tough, but the boys responded well, and they worked hard. They worked hard through the county games for them to win that county title. I think the first game we are playing against Tambira, and our next game will be against Homa Bay. Those are two tough teams with history, with very good rugby history. One game at a time. We are favorites for both the games. They should invest more. Locally, interior into Kisii, into this region, Nyanza region. Kuna so much talent. Kuna so much talents that the government has